Hi there, this is Shafin, a professional video editor and cinematographer with 5 years of experience. I love to edit videos professionally and make my clients happy. Fast delivery time without compromising quality. Simple steps to get started. Message me about your project to discuss. Click Contact Seller. Send the necessary files. Receive the edited video within the promised time. My services include Instagram Reels and TikTok with powerful captions, commercial, ads and promo, podcasts, YouTube and social media, interview, course, Zoom meeting, event, real estate, corporate, cinematic travel vlog, gym, sports, music video, short film, short clips, car and restaurant, audio editing, long-term editor, and many more. I am online 24/7. I will get back to you as soon as I can.